You're not supposed to tap the glass. You want to know what they call you, Rocket?
I know what they call me. Dynamic genetic experiment. Who wants to pat my face?
I thought you'd be more upset about the rodent department.
Ain't nothing in the universe like being sentiment.
And that is precisely why he is in my collection. He is also notorious for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold him. Which is why I have wired each cage with unimaginable power coming directly from my massive generator, which powers the entire complex and will keep them in perpetual suspension. Over this.
At least we are all well secured.
Wait, what?
Now what's the ball going to be?
You didn't understand. You're prisoners.
Go ahead and figure out
I told you to wait for the ship.
Hey, Rocket.
Oh, so cute. I could watch him all day.
I now present to you Tannelia Tavon's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy, and let's mute this guy. Hearing you insisted flattering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
I'm gonna take a test.
Now move it.
Raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket, unplug you!
Why are you taking up? We barely stopped there. It did nothing. We did all the fighting. It did not help us at all. You keep thinking me. We tried.
Thank you.